Good morning, everyone. Myself is Vimal Justin, lecturer of Vimal College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter which is known as volumetric analysis. In this volumetric analysis chapter, now we have to discuss about the primary and secondary standard solutions. Standards are materials containing a precisely known concentration of a substance for use in quantitative analysis. There are two types of standard solution used in volumetric analysis: primary standard and secondary standard. Firstly, primary standard. In titrometry, certain chemicals are used frequently in defined concentration as a reference solution. Such substances or chemicals are referred to as primary standards. A primary standard is a compound of high purity from which a standard solution is prepared by direct weighing of quantity followed by dilution to give defined volume. A primary standard is a chemical or reagent which has certain properties such as it is considered extremely pure, which is high grade quality. Extremely pure means which is in high grade quality. Height of 0.01 to 0.02% impurity is tolerable if it is accurately known. They should be easy to dry, obtain and purify, which means it should be easily dryable when it comes to atmosphere, and it should be easily obtainable, and it should be purified. It should be pure. Next one, it is highly stable. Highly stable means it should not be react easily. They should be unaltered during weighing, that is, they should not be hygroscopic, oxidized by air or affected by CO2. It should maintain unchanged composition during storage. Next, it has very high molecular weight so that they can be weighed easily and weighing errors can be negligible. They should be readily soluble to form standard solution. Next, they should be readily available and inexpensive. Next, it should be preferably non-toxic, because if it is toxic, it should have such many impacts to health or human. So it should be preferably non-toxic. What are the examples for primary standards? Acid-base titrations: sodium carbonate, potassium hydrogen phthalate, oxalic acid. Next one, redox titrations: potassium dichromate, potassium bromate, potassium iodate, oxalic acid, arsenic dioxide. Precipitation titrations is silver nitrate. Complexometric titrations: pure metallic zinc and zinc chloride. Next, what is secondary standard? A secondary standard is a chemical or reagent which is generally less pure than the primary standard. A secondary standard solution is a solution in which concentration of dissolved solute has not been determined by weight of compound dissolved but by titration using primary standard solution. Examples include sodium hydroxide. It is extremely hygroscopic and absorbs moisture from atmosphere, so it cannot be used in a primary standard. Next, potassium permanganate. It is a good oxidizing agent, reactive and less stable. Due to its reactivity, its own oxidized product manganese oxide contaminates the content. That's why it is unsuitable for being a primary standard. Third one, sodium thiosulfate. It absorbs CO2 from the atmosphere and gets decomposed. A deposit of sulfur settles at the bottom. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay with us to get a lot of knowledge about pharmacy and its related subjects.